Hello friends, this is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. An update regarding our new batches planned for this week. The trending technologies for everyone. SQL, beneficial for developers, analysts, scientists, engineers, administrators. And another great trending technology, friendly technology rather, Power BI. Yes, useful for data analysts, business analysts, data scientists, data engineers, product owners, every IT staff, and social marketing, and everyone, almost everyone in IT, everyone for reporting, everyone who loves and deals with data. Power BI is now becoming a common friend. And the schedules for the upcoming weeks, coming week and later week. We have SQL Server schedules, SQL DBA, Power BI, Data Engineer, and Snowflake. These are the very common, much happening technologies right now. Better to always have SQL as a prerequisite or a preliminary skill set in our resume. From SQL, we can get into development, administration, data science, machine learning, engineering, analysis, anything, everything. SQL the boss. From SQL, we have DBA, MSBI, Data Engineer, Power BI, and Snowflake. These are the major courses that we offer at our SQL school. You would like to be an administrator, or an engineer, or an analyst, or a data science, or a developer, we have a course for you. You choose the SQL activities in addition to Power BI, or engineering, or MSBI, etc. to make sure the profile is carefully aligned, carefully crafted for correct and consistent keywords. Yes, at the end of the day, our profile, our resume is very important. Let's plan it carefully. Let's chalk out correctly with proper guided learning process. At our SQL school, we assure you complete practice orientation, completely real time, completely practical. We'll start from the scratch. We'll start from the basics of database and SQL queries. The basics, the yellow box you see on the screen right now, the yellow box itself will be an amazing experience, lengthy curriculum, step by step process to start with. We recommend the participants to learn online. We recommend the participants to do as many number of examples as possible online, either during or before choosing us for your course. At the same time, we'll make it useful, we'll make it friendly, we'll make it very lucrative. At the same time, resume friendly example step by step. A starter would be able to enjoy our course, and at the same time an experienced professional will be able to enjoy our course, and at the same time either starter or experienced who already learned the subject online or any other place will be able to once again enjoy the beauty of the technology in a different way. Pretty sure about it. With this information, we assure you complete practice orientation, real time examples, in depth concepts, in person care, weekly feedbacks, and making you get job ready. With concept wise FAQs, scenarios, good number of scenarios. You submit more number of assignments during the course and you get more and more. Common curriculum for everyone, but assignments, yes, you submit more and you get more and more. Then we are ready for our job interviews. We are ready for our actual job work at the workplace. Come on, attend a demo class, attend one or two free introduction classes. Let's understand how the SQL, how the subject, how the technology is. Let's get some glance. Then let's decide how we can work together. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you once again. We shall wait for your live demo session registration, free demo registration on our website sqlschool.com. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.